There was an ant lived in a jungle. One day, an ant was drinking some water at a river of bank. The river current seemed to be high that afternoon, and ant suddenly slipped and fell into the river. The poor ant struggled in the water. He thought he would surely die today. Thankfully, a kind dove sitting on a nearby saw what was happening. He quickly plucked a leaf and it fell into the river close to the ant. The ant climbed onto it. It carried the ant safely to the riverbank. The ant closed to Dove and said, "Thank you, my friend. I will help you one day too." After a few days, a hunter came into the jungle. He saw sitting on a branch. He tried to catch the dove with his net. The dove was sleeping. The ant saw what was about to happen. He quickly ran up to the hunter and bit the hunter's leg. Ouch! The hunter jumped in pain. He missed the target. Hearing the man's cry of pain, the dove quickly flew away. "Thank you, little ant," said the dove. "You did help me after all." Moral: